I thank the Chair, sir, for this great opportunity. And I also congratulate the Honorable Minister. He is a very sober and dynamic for bringing out both put together, yesterday the commercial courts and today is the Arbitration and Reconciliation Act. It is extremely relevant for the present day as far as India is concerned. And we also appreciate the Law Commission for bringing out this after a thorough examination to bring out the alternative dispute resolution mechanism where the country badly needs in view of number of cases mounting in all the courts, running into the crores and crores, and also lots of the vacancies. As a result that the justice denied, the delayed is justice denied. So, but one or two points what I would like to mention is that it should be user friendly. A common man also should have the facility here. So the Honorable Minister may kindly consider how this could be made the user friendly. And secondly, the cost effective is a very relative term here, because if we try to minimize the cost, we may not have the quality arbitration. So therefore, a compromise formula has to be evolved if we want to make it the quality arbitration which is really required, because lots of the foreign investors are involved and the corporates are involved, which is their hard-earned money and all that. So therefore, instead of insisting for the cost effectiveness, we may consider that the quality, the arbitration is extremely important, and the expedience is more important. The speedy disposal is extremely important here. So therefore, whatever the time frame has been fixed, that 12 months, and again another 6 months for the arbitrator, and beyond that should not be given. And in the selection time also, what the Honourable Minister should also really look into this is the selection of the arbitrators is extremely crucial here. So unless a proper foolproof mechanism is evolved, it would be extremely difficult for the people to work with the system. And we all know that yesterday also we discussed thoroughly how it is going to affect our investment, the economy, and in the ease of business, and all that we have thoroughly discussed. So therefore very relevant. But one thing where we are really lagging behind is the enforcement of the contracts is extremely poor in the country. And yesterday we all have expressed our displeasure because we stand in the lowest in the queue. As the 200 countries, we stand somewhere in the 186. So therefore, we really want to improve that. So we need to consider that aspect as well. The enforcement of the contracts is extremely important, either to see the essence of the law or the intents of the law. This is very important. And yesterday, the Honourable Minister also has found we have no platform to address certain issues which are the social and economic issues, except a case like this in the debates of the bills. So therefore, if the slight deviation is there, the Honourable Minister may kindly excuse us. The reason is, this is only the platform where we get the real presence of the Honourable Minister and we could express our views. Yesterday I did mention that, and today I again want to mention that, sir, this is a socio-economical issue, and we have wonderful free legal aid mechanism in India. As far as the money is concerned, in all states it's there, the mechanism is there. But the effectiveness system is extremely poor for various reasons. Either the money that we are paying to the advocates is so poor, as a result that under trials in the country are remaining as under trials for decades. A survey may be conducted by the government. The reason is, sir, whoever is extremely poor, the Dalits, the minorities, and the tribal people are languishing in the courts without the trials. So therefore, what we really request is, all this deviation from this one, the Honourable Minister, who is extremely kind, we request that this system, the legal aid system which is available in the country, for which it has been created only for the poor to come up, that has to be streamlined. The lawyers and all that, even if the cost involved is little more, the more efficient lawyers who have the name in the society, who have the commitment, and if need be, the community-wise also the lawyers have to be picked up. That is one of the points that I want to mention, sir. With that, I once again thank the Chair, and I congratulate the Honourable Minister for bringing these two acts, the commercial courts and this, for making the country more investment friendly. Thank you very much.